Yeah. Come on, open. This isn't so bad. This ain't shit. Yeah.
No, my God, it's...
Why does it feel like it's raining? All right, let's go to the lake.
Like, that way?
Yeah, I think we got about 4 blocks to go that way. This is actually quite tolerable. I could do this all day.
Better walk it.
I will. Oh, oh, that was lightning.
Did you get it on film?
I did.
No lightning.
That's a winter storm. No thunder! Dude, I have never heard no thunder before. Holy shit!
Well, do you see the two systems colliding? It's like an Arctic wind and then a southern warm front.
It's like an epic battle of hot versus... Holy fuck! Alright, that's intense. Let's go to the beach.
Well, we're waiting on the slow post.
Fuck 'em, let's go.